The JCB Hydromax team have bought the world's fastest hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine car here and absolutely obliterated all of the previous hydrogen records with a car that actually wanted to go faster. During the 2 record runs today, I actually had to lift off the accelerator and actually slow down through the measured mile because we'd hit our limiting speed. It's an extraordinary achievement. I took it up to 419 in the middle of the measured mile, lifted off the pedal, coast down to the end of it, and then shoot out at 380, and the car stopped exactly where it should have done at the end of the track. Had we had more goes, we could have got faster and faster. But like anything, the team out here has had less days on the salt to prepare the car than most people will spend years getting a 400-mile-an-hour record. So it's a one hell of an achievement by them.
Hard to miss it now.
Not full power, not full.
Absolutely. Well, of course, I'm doing what pretty much 6 times the legal limit in most countries for motorway, the interstate. 5 or 6 times. So the world goes past pretty quickly. The track is 105 feet wide between the markers, and as you get faster and faster, bizarrely, the markers appear to get closer and closer and closer together. They're not really. It's just they're coming at you so quickly that the ones that were here and took 1 second to reach you are now out there and take 1 second to reach you. So it makes it look like the track's getting thinner. It's quite a weird effect.